They get tired, they just crash. Then all of a sudden they all wake up, they all run around biting and yapping. And
Every half hour.
yeah, yeah. Then the other guys are over here trying to dig a foxhole. It's been pretty good, but every once in a while I see an ant come in there. But so far it's been pretty much insect free. So maybe they are working, I don't know. What? They just like to make noise, huh? I'd love to see them get in the habit of going in and out that door, but so far no takers. They will eventually.
Well, Sandy's not doing it much either.
No. Just feel like making noise, I guess. Stop making that noise there. Hey.